Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a CR 2032 3V coin cell, a small flathead screwdriver about 3.5 inches long or smaller for leverage, and a clean cloth to protect the plastic. Sit at a flat work surface and remove the emergency key by sliding the release. Set it aside. Note that most Honda Fit fobs are screwless and rely on a snap seam, so plan to pry gently at the notch to separate the two halves without forcing or bending the shell. Pry the fob case open at the notch with gentle twisting motion until the two halves separate. Expose the battery compartment and the small circuit board. Use the flathead to lift the old CR 2032 coin cell straight up from its holder, observing orientation. The plus side typically faces up toward the cover. Insert the new CR 2032 with the plus side up. Ensure the metal contacts sit flush against the battery. Check the rubber button pad alignment and snap the two halves back together until they click. After closing the case and reinserting the emergency key, test each button from several feet away to check lock, unlock, trunk, and panic functions. Reprogramming is usually not required for Honda Fit Key Fobs. If the remote fails, reopen the case, clean the battery contacts and board pads with a cotton swab and 70% isopropyl alcohol, allow to dry, and reseat the battery and board. Confirm full range and replace the fob cover securely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.